Good morning, friends. My name is Miss Beth, and I'm here to share a winter story time with you. So one of my favorite things about winter is it gives me a good excuse to sit and read. There's no lawn to mow, no stuff to do outside. I can't bike ride or anything else, and I love to read. And one of my favorite things to read is this picture book. It is called Bear Snores On by Carmel Wilson. I'm a big fan of Carmel Wilson, and if you've ever done a story time with me, a book or two of hers has popped up, I'm sure. Now this book is published by Simon & Schuster Kids, and so we want to thank them and the author for putting out such a fantastic book and for allowing us to read it online. Should we get started? I think we should. As I said, this book is called Bear Snores On. Can you show me how you snore? Yeah, just like that. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Can you see him in there? Does it look as cozy as your bed? It's not as cozy as mine. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. Right there, he's just sleeping away. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. Can you say that with me? Bear snores on. And make your snore sound. Shh, that's right. An itty bitty mouse, an itty bitty mouse, pitter pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Do you see the itty bitty mouse? Oh, I'd be scared. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Look at Mr. Mouse, he's building a fire to stay warm. What a smart mouse. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop. But Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who is there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Here's the hare. What's another word for hare? That's right, rabbit. Or some of you might call it a bunny. Did you know that that's a hare? Mouse sips wee slurps and hare burps big burps. But Bear snores on. Could you sleep through all that? Making tea and popcorn? I don't think I could. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs in the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. So here's Badger finding them. And now Badger's being a great friend because he wants to share. Isn't that nice? They nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch. But the bear snores on. Give a big snore. Oh my goodness, he's sleeping through everything. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Oh, so many friends. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. They are having a party in his cave and he doesn't even know. Hare stokes the fire and Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He says he sneezed. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crew freezes. Look at the friends. They're all frozen. What will happen? Is Bear gonna wake up? And the bear wakes up. Oh no! Bear snarls and gnarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. He does not look very happy. He doesn't, does he? I think he's mad they woke him up. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Aw, they're gonna make more. Bear gulps, Bear goggles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. Look, he and his friends, they're having such a good time. But now, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Make the snore sound one more time. Shh. So now Bear is awake and his friends are asleep. Isn't that a silly book? I like the book because it's about friends and taking care of each other and having a good time. And it's also about the snow and the cold. And I love Bear. I think he's so cute. So I hope you guys find something fun to do in this chilly, wintry weather, whether we have snow or whether we don't, because it's Michigan and you never know what you're gonna get. I hope you make the best of your time together and have a great, great time with your friends. And I will see you soon. You guys have a great rest of your day and an even better tomorrow. Bye.